You turn out to be very good friends, and Akshay is a friend and will always remain a good friend. And obviously, if there's a film between him and me, we'd love to do it together. Yeah, we were always better off as friends. We should have never crossed the line, and I think we were damn good friends. Even then, we used to do solid masti, you know. Never had problems, never, because I think engagement broke up much before. I think if there was, what I used to read in magazines was after Shilpa, I think he dated Twinkle. So Shilpa and me were always friends. In fact, we did Pardesi Babu, which was a movie together when she was dating Akshay, and we were friends then. Like, she was dating him at that time, and I'd broken off with him, and it was quite many months, and I had moved on. Yeah. So in fact, I used to tell her whom I'm dating at that time. So you know, and so it was like that. We've never had problems, and she's one of the more real people that you'll meet in the industry. I don't think he reacts to it क्योंकि I don't think ऐसा कुछ अभी है और न हुआ है. पर I think the best thing in a marriage is to be honest to your partner, especially when you've had a public life. All the more reason to. It's always better that whoever your partner knows you completely and totally. इससे better कि कोई और आके information दे. तो आप पहले ही बता दीजिए, देखिए जी ये इसमें ट्रुथ था और इसमें ट्रुथ नहीं था और इसमें ये था and this has been my past. When I started, Shri and Madhuri were already at their pinnacle, and they were doing things, and obviously then Shri couldn't reached a point where she couldn't have played a 16-year-old college student, which I entered playing. Likewise, the same with me. When I came in, there was Shri, there was Madhuri, there was Juhi ji. All of them were playing these roles which probably we are playing now. Likewise, right now, I can't say that I can play that 16-year-old with 2 pigtails and a mini skirt and dance in the middle of a square again, in London or somewhere. It looked foolish. College की लड़कियों को देखो यार, they're dating different men every week. तो जब हीरोइन डेट करती है तो उसमें इतना बड़ा क्यों चर्चा हो जाता है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. So, and I have been one of those who've always said I think dating is healthy. My parents had a love marriage. So ऐसा नहीं होता है कि the first man you meet or you fall in love with. Though in my second relationship, I dated someone when I was in college. My second relationship, I got engaged only to get married. But if it didn't work out, it happens to so many people. So why is it such a big deal? Oh, she was engaged before. Okay, so what? मेरे ख्याल से आइटम सॉन्ग्स थोड़े वैसे हो गए, थोड़े रॉन्ची से हो गए. तो इसलिए लोगों को मिसलीड न करने के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ ये आइटम सॉन्ग नहीं है, बिकॉज इसमें कुछ ऐसा रॉन्चीनेस नहीं है. इट्स अ फन सॉन्ग, इट्स अ पेपी डांस नंबर एंड इट्स अ फन सॉन्ग. सो एंड आई थिंक आइटम इज़ नॉट अ ऑफेंसिव वर्ड, बिकॉज आई थिंक शुरुआत तो कहीं मेरे से ही हुआ था.